Now, one of the other good things about the audio system in this Land Rover is if we go onto iTunes, Mars bar fingers, click on the record here, you'll see there it's got Land Rover. There's a full red triangle with 3 red circles, and then you've got iPhone and Land Rover. If Land Rover's not ticked, we'll just tick Land Rover, and then home screen, audio, video, my music. It's showing please insert disc at the moment, but that's because it's set to disc. There's a little plus there. If you click plus and then select Barry's iPhone, or select your phone, and you see there, and if I turn this up, it's got the most awesome sound system in here. Subwoofer and numerous speakers and Harman-Kardon speakers, which are one of the best. So that's it. It will stream your audio as well.